Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to share my live portfolio via Zoom screen sharing. The purpose of this video is to share my screen and share all the stats. One of my client based in United States, he has basically an app. So this is an kind of mobile app marketing portfolio. So let me share my screen and share you all the stats, what they are doing, um, what type of campaign I have launched, and what is the maximum ad spend on this ad account I have spent so far. So let's get started. Let me share my screen. All right, so let's deep dive into the business model first. So the client basically um, have a website which is called Paul.co. They have an Android and iOS app. So they have an website as well which is Paul.co, and the same they have mobile application and Apple Store iOS app as well. All the both apps are approved from um, Google Play Store and App Store as well. So they want maximum number of apps download. So this is an overview. So it's similar to basically an Uber. So this is how the sites is looks like, and there are some testimonials and some stuff on it. All right, so let's deep dive into the campaign side. What kind of campaign I have launched so far, and let's deep dive. So this is an ad account overview. So in this ad account, okay, so let's start with the campaign side. So due to some technical issue from the meta side, so I'm unable to see all the data here on the bottom. So that's where I go in the reporting session and create a report to view all the data and segments as well. So if I put on the maximum date range, so on maximum date range, I have, as you can see, I have basically make more than 22 campaign on it and spend more than $200,000 on this ad account. So I basically some of campaign is basically targeted especially for iOS download. Some campaign are partnership ad, UGC content creator. Some of campaign are awareness campaign, middle of funnel, top of funnel. Some of retargeting campaign. These are campaign I have launched so for this client. So as you guys can see, some of campaign generated more amount of app installation. Like this one is generated 1,000 app installation, and this one is 2,000, and this one is again more than 1,366. And the cost per installation is very low. The reason is behind I use advanced strategies and retargeting strategies, and a lot of testing, a lot of efforts put on this ad account. So that's why the cost per installation is very low. So these are some stats. As you guys can see, the reach on this ad account is probably 4 million and impression is 18 million. So the ad spent on this ad account is more than $200,000 that I have spent on this ad account. So the frequency is 4.5%, and the click all is 67,000, and the CPC is 3.0, and the CPM is for $11. So these are some campaign as you guys can see, and their CPMs as well. So there are some link clicks campaign. So yeah, so there are some link clicks here, which is more probably 4,000, and the CTR is 0.2%. Yeah, the CTR is low. The reason is behind the owner of this app want to use static images, but I suggest them to use some UGC content creator to create some content, and then we basically get higher CTR. As you guys can see in starting, the owner of this company, Paul.co, not hearing me to create UGC content, but after that we start creating content, and after that we will get a significant improvement on CTR. But anyway, we're getting as long as we are getting the cost per installation lower and getting the lot of mobile application download, so it doesn't matter that your CTR and CPM is higher or low. The matter is only the result you are generating. That's it. That's the main thing in every business, and each business owner want. And this on this ad account, I have generated more than 8,872 app installation, and the cost per installation is under $25. And these are some other activities and some in-app event marketing and in-app things going on. So the purpose of this video is to share the ad account stats and the spend I have spent so far for this client, to get an overview of my skills and expertise. I have intensive experience on mobile app marketing. So yeah. So here is the uh, events manager. In events manager, all the events are fire and all the things are working smoothly. So yeah. So this is an important thing which is I want to share. The personal buying persona. The persona is and basically is for targeting purpose. That what would be the age, gender, location, what would be the psychographic, what would be the goal, challenges, and behavior of the audiences will come on the ads. What are relationship, what they are doing at what time. So these are some challenges I have created for all of my clients. So this is very important. Um so this is an overview of the things. These are some uh, uh, these are some basically Facebook ad targeting which I use in my ads. Uh, I basically target some school sector, finance sector, and some tech sector, and some other things. So these are some targeting I have generated. It's a kind of buying persona which helps to give an overview of our ad campaign targeting and their psychographics and behavior as well. So I hope so this will give you an overview of an idea of my expertise and my skill in mobile app marketing. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope so this will give an overview, and have a great day. Thank you.